The city of Vicksburg is taking action against the spread of the coronavirus. 12 News' Marcus James talked to the mayor, George Flaggs, about what steps the city is taking to protect neighbors.
We just shortly finished a mini presser, and you looked at this situation as a moving target. Could we talk about that really quick?
Yes, this is something that the United States, the country, the whole world has never faced before. And because of this, we have to use all the precaution, and the precaution may change by the hour, may change by the day, may change by the weeks, but we have to do everything we can to make certain that we minimize the death and minimize the health harmness that this virus can do. This is something that nobody. So I encourage everybody not listen to the naysayer, listen to the expert, listen to the medical people, those folks at CDC, those folks at the State Department of Health, those folks that know what they're talking about. This is no time to try to figure out or give your opinion of this issue. We need to listen to these advisors and go forward. We're trying to make certain that this city is ahead of the curve as opposed to a reaction to what is going on in America.
Now, we just met with you last week. We did an interview. What were the updates that you talked about this morning in the mayor board meeting this morning?
Well, one, we reduced from 250 for people to gather to 50 to coincide with the Department of Health and the CDC. The other thing is that we include our employees, where if they go outside the state, travel more than 100-mile radius of this city, they inform us, and to use any precaution at the house. It got to go beyond just the city. It goes into the family, into the homes of these employees. So we're doing everything we can. Our first responders, our police department, everybody has created the opportunity to make certain that we're on top of this.
Now, the most important thing for those in the city of Vicksburg who are still fearing the whatever this may be, what advice would you have for them?
Continue to listen to the expert, listen to the television people that talks about this and what is going on, and be cautious. Do not take chance. This is not business as usual, but we want you to be as normal as you possibly can. Do not panic. I agree with the governor. I agree with the Department of Health. We don't need to panic. We need to use very good judgment and common sense judgment to this issue.
Well, thank you so much, Mayor Flaggs. And as always, you can tune into our website at WJTV.com to stay updated, as well as download our mobile app to stay updated, and you'll get those up-to-date minutes. For now in Vicksburg, Marcus James, 12 News.